What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool, driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks like composing emails, essays, and code. ChatGPT is an app built by OpenAI. Using the GPT language models, it can answer your questions, write copy, draft emails, hold a conversation, explain code in different programming languages, translate natural language to code, and more, or at least try to, all based on the natural language prompts you feed it. Right now, ChatGPT offers two GPT models. The default GPT 3.5 is less powerful but available to everyone for free. The more advanced GPT-4 is limited to ChatGPT Plus subscribers, and even they only get a limited number of questions every day. While it's cool to play around with it, say you want to write a Shakespearean sonnet about your pet or get a few ideas for subject lines for some marketing emails, it's also good for OpenAI. It's a way to get a lot of data from real users and serves as a fancy demo for the power of GPT, which could otherwise feel a little fuzzy unless you were deep into machine learning. One of ChatGPT's big features is that it can remember the conversation you're having with it. This means it can glean context from whatever you've asked it previously and then use that to inform its conversation with you. You're also able to ask for reworks and corrections, and it will refer back to whatever you've been discussing before. It makes interacting with the AI feel like a genuine back and forth. If you want to really get a feel for it, go and spend 5 minutes playing with ChatGPT. Now, it's free, and then come back to read about how it works. Usage is currently open to the public, free of charge because ChatGPT is in its research and feedback collection phase as of February 1st. There is also a paid subscription version called ChatGPT Plus.